and welcome to today's video where I am talking about razors. So these are some safety razors, and today I'm going to be giving you the down low on how to use one of these, why it's better, and all sorts of benefits. So let's go. So this is a safety razor. It's made from stainless steel, and what is so great about these is that you only need one and it will last your lifetime. They come in loads of different colours and ones with bamboo handles too, so you can make sure that you are getting the right one for you, what suits with your bathroom or your style. So they're super easy to use and they're better for the environment because that you only need one of those, so you'll have this for your whole life and you'll just replace the blades which go inside. So I use one of these razors for just about everything. I use it for shaving all different parts of my body, and I found that my shave is much better since using one of these. It's actually pretty amazing. It's a really close shave and it's smooth, and I don't know why I would ever go back to disposable ones. Before you start shaving, you need to know how to put your razor together. So to put your razor together, it comes with a handle and the top part, and you'll also have a pack of razor blades. So first up, you need to take your razor blade out of the paper casing that it's in for protection. And once you've taken that out, you can put it into your razor. So to do this, unscrew the handle from the bottom of your razor. Once you've unscrewed it, you'll be able to take the two top parts apart. And with this, make sure that you note that the side which has the indents in it should always be facing up. And that's, if you don't do that, you won't be able to shave, and the blade won't be sharp. So if you take off the two sections and then you pop on your blade onto the top surface and then just put the side that has the indents back on top, and then you are ready to screw it back in. It's nice and easy to put together, and you do the same when you're taking it apart once your blade has been fully used. I'll do a little demonstration of how you can use the razor. So what I really recommend is that you, of course, wet your leg first. Make sure that you have a lot of moisture, and you can use a shaving soap. I'm using a shaving soap here, but you can also use any other types of soap. And when you are using that soap, make sure you lather it on your leg or wherever you're shaving, and then do gentle strokes with the shaving razor. Now with the razor, make sure that you do it gently at first, particularly when you've put a new blade in, as the blade is very sharp. And if you're not used to using it, make sure you go slow and steady and do those bigger areas of your leg first, just so that you can practice. Once I finish shaving, I take my razor, give it a nice rinse, and then I leave it out of the shower. That's just to make sure that you look after your razor and keep it safe and secure for as long as you have it, so that it can last your whole lifetime. The razor blades themselves, you'll know when they're blunt when they stop giving you a correct shave. So if you need to shave that one part of your body multiple times for it to be clean shaven, that's when you should be replacing your blade. It really depends from person to person. I normally change mine every couple of months, but I also only shave my legs maybe every fortnight. So it's really up to you and how much you are using your blade. But to do that, you just take the blade out of the razor exactly the same way as you put it in, and this you can store in a razor tin. If you don't have a razor tin, you can also use any kind of tin. It could just be one that you've had from beans or anything that's come in a tin. But we also do have these individual tins that are specifically designed for this, and then you can put all of your razor blades in there, put a bit of tape over the top when you're ready, and you can recycle the entire thing. That's what's so great about safety razors. It's not just the razor itself that's reusable, but the blades you can also recycle. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you've learnt something new. I've been using my razor for 2 to 3 years now, so if you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I will get back to you. So good luck on your journey to getting a new safety razor and let me know how it goes.